Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how we can create an EMI calculator on reducing rate of interest and with the help of course PMT function. So here you can see all the credentials like loan amount is 5 lakh. So if you want to convert it into currency which is being required, you may click over here for dollar sign, or else there are the currencies. These are the currencies which are available. Rupee symbol is not coming. For more accounting formats I'm going, and if you are not getting the current rupee symbol, then you may go for INR. So this is it, or whatever symbol you want to give. Click OK. So it has came. So loan amount is 5 lakh, interest rate is 12%, year of loan is 10 years, repayment mode is 12. Look, repayment mode are of three types. The first one is 12. This means in a year 12 times you are going to make a payment, so that's going to be equated monthly installment. So monthly you will be making the payment, so it's going to be 12. Another option is 4. This means quarterly you are making a payment. Another option is 2. This means halfly you are making a payment. On the basis of these details, I need to calculate the EMI, total repayment amount including the loan amount and the interest amount, and total interest amount also. So first I need to get the EMI. In order to have the EMI on reducing rate of interest, I need to apply a PMT function. So here we go. I'm typing PMT and the first parameter is rate. This means rate of interest, because that's going to be on the EMI, any equated monthly installment basis. So as a rate of interest, I'm going to do the selection of interest rate divided by repayment mode, comma, then you need to give n per. N per means how many times you need to make the payment, and that can be calculated on the basis of repayment mode and for how many years you are going to make the payment. So 12 into 10, in this particular case it's going to be 120. This means 120 times you are going to make the payment, comma, and then you need to give PV, that stands for present value, and this means the loan amount. Here as a PV, whatever loan amount you need to give it in minus. The reason is being the output of this PMT function will always be in negative. So now to convert this into positive, we are going to apply a negative sign here, and then as a present value I am selecting this cell value. That's it. Bracket close, enter. It's coming in dollar. However you want in any other format you can change. I want it, and I'm using a format painter this time, so I have formatted this painter. I have formatted this particular cell value and applied over here. So this is the equated monthly installment. Means if you have taken the loan of 5 lakh rupees, interest rate is 12% for 10 years, then every month you need to make the payment, which is 7,173.55. What is the total repayment amount? It's very easy to calculate. Equal to, this is the EMI amount into repayment mode. This means every year I'm going to make the payment 12 times, and into number of years. This will tell me that on 5 lakh rupees you will have to give total repayment amount, which is 8,60,825.69. and what's going to be the interest amount? Very simple, equal to, this is the total amount minus the principal amount, and this is going to be the interest amount. So this is how we can create an EMI calculator on reducing rate of interest by applying an PMT function. On this basis, in the next video we are going to understand that how we can make a data table. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.